Let us now master the technique of factoring difference of squares. Difference of squares can be written as product of sum and difference. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we will see how do we factor difference of squares, x square minus y square. So we have a couple examples for you, starting with question number 1 to 5, and then we have 5 more. Before this, we did factoring of trinomials. These are the questions which we did. You can watch the related video for their solutions. Perfect. So the whole idea of this playlist is to get practice on factoring. There are hundreds of examples in this playlist. Now let us see how do we factor x square minus y square. The basic concept is that x plus y times x minus y is basically equal to, when you multiply them, you get x squared, right, minus xy, and then with y when you multiply, you get plus xy, and then you get minus y squared. And clearly, plus xy and minus xy gets cancelled. And what you get is x squared minus y squared. So basically, difference of squares is product of sum and difference, correct? So that is the rule. So we'll see how do we factor now. So x squared minus y squared in general is sum of x and y times difference of x and y. So the idea is when you have x squared minus 9, you should write this as x squared minus something squared. In this case, it is 3 squared. You can do square root of the other number to get this number. And now the factored form will be x plus 3 times x minus 3. So I hope this concept is absolutely clear. You can actually pause the video and answer these 10 questions. In case you want to learn from me, you can always send an email on the address given. All my students are doing extremely well. Some of them are right there on top of the class getting awards and scholarships, like Akshay.
After attending university. The winner of this year's Certificate of Achievement Schulich Leader Award is Akshi Kandivani.
Great. Our student Akshay gets highest marks and the most prestigious Schulich Leader Award. You can be there. Join our classes and excel. Okay, now let's continue with the solution. So you must have done some of them by now. Here is x squared minus 1, which is 1 is 1 square, right? So it can be written as x plus 1 times x minus 1. X squared minus 36. 6 squared is 36. So first I will write this as x squared minus 6 squared, and then x plus 6 times x minus 6. X squared minus 81. So square root of 81, what is that? Well, it is 9 squared. So we know this should be x squared plus 9 times x squared minus 9. Now here is a very important part. You can notice that 9 is also square of 3, right? That means I can further factor. Perfect. So I should, right? So I will now write it as x squared plus 9, which cannot be further factored. However, the second factor can be written as x plus 3 times so now, okay, I think it is perfect. Perfect. So it is not very difficult, right? You can pause the video and answer the rest of the questions. Let's take up x squared minus 81. Well, it can be written as x squared minus 9 squared, which will be sum of x and 9 times difference of x and 9. X squared minus 16 is x plus 4. We can directly also write, but let us follow the steps. It is not necessary to write this step. Perfect. Now, when you know how to do it, you could actually go direct, right? That's the whole idea. Okay. So let's now do the next 5, which have slightly bigger numbers and more variables. So we are now working with 2 variables, x squared minus 4y squared, factor fully. So x squared minus 4y squared is kind of minus 4y squared. See, this is 2y whole square. You get an idea. And now, since we were writing x squared minus y squared as sum and difference, product of sum and difference, what should this be? Well, it should be x plus 2y times x minus 2y. Perfect. 9x squared minus 4 means 3x whole square minus 2 squared. So that will be 3x plus 2 times 3x minus 2. Then we have 4x squared minus 25y squared. 4x squared can be written as 2x whole square minus 5y squared. And so we can factor this and write it at 2x minus 5y. I'm writing plus first, so let it be like this. 2x minus 5y. Now we have minus x squared plus 81. Well, I could take minus outside, right? And then write this as x squared minus 81, correct? We did this earlier. Minus and x squared minus 81. 81 is 9 squared. So I could write this as x plus 9 times x minus 9. Do you see that? Perfect. Similarly, minus 100 squared plus 1. I can take minus outside and then I can write this as 100x squared minus 1. So that gives me minus 100 is 10, right? 10 squared, correct? So I can write this as 10x plus 1 times 10x minus 1. Does it make sense to you? So that is how we can actually factor them. So this is a very simple process. Now I hope you have understood the factoring technique for difference of squares. I hope you like and subscribe to my videos. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to post them. In case you want to learn from me, you may write down an email on the given address. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.